Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a small vegetable challenge. Today we are going to see guess the vegetable challenge. So let's get started. Guess what is this? Yes, you're correct. It's a cabbage. Guess what is this vegetable? Yes, that's absolutely correct. It's a tomato. Let us guess another vegetable. Guess what is this vegetable? Yes, you're correct. It's a carrot. Let us go for another vegetable. Guess what is this green vegetable? Is it broccoli? Yes, you're correct. Let's guess another vegetable. Guess what is this vegetable? Yes, it's peas. Guess what is this vegetable? It is even used as salad. Yes, you're correct. It is cucumber. Guess what is this vegetable? Yes, you're correct. It's a lady finger. Now let us guess another vegetable. Guess what this vegetable is? Yes, you're correct. It's a brinjal. Guess what is this vegetable? Yep, you're correct. It's capsicum. Now let us guess another vegetable. So guess what this vegetable is? Is it asparagus? Yes, you're correct. It is asparagus. Guess what this vegetable is? Yes, you're correct. It is broccoli. I hope you liked the video. If you liked my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Meet you with another video. Bye.